Samsung just dropped its biggest tablet of 2025, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and trust me, this thing is an absolute beast. If you're a creator, gamer, or just someone who wants the best of the best, this might be the tablet you've been waiting for. The first thing you'll notice is that huge 14.6-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Movies, games, even note-taking, everything looks buttery smooth. And even with this massive screen, it's only 5.1 millimeters thin. That's thinner than most smartphones out there. Plus, it now comes with IP68 water and dust resistance, something we don't usually see on tablets. Under the hood, it's rocking the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus, paired with up to 16 gigabytes RAM. That means multitasking, video editing, or even high-end gaming is no problem. And yes, it comes with Wi-Fi 7 support, so your streaming and cloud gaming will be next level. The S Pen is included in the box, with super low latency, making it perfect for artists and students. And for power users, Samsung added dual-screen DeX mode, basically turning your tablet into a laptop replacement when connected to a monitor. All of this is powered by a massive 11,600 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging. That's hours of productivity or binge watching without worrying about running out of juice. Cameras are also upgraded with a sharper front cam for video calls and creators. So, is the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra the iPad Pro killer? With its monster display, thin design, flagship performance, and productivity tools, Samsung is definitely taking the fight to Apple. What do you guys think? Is this the best tablet of 2025 so far? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tech updates.